Today, we embark on a journey, not to familiar sights, but to the heart of Korean culture.
Let's start with the discipline and power of Taekwondo, a martial art that embodies strength, focus, and respect.
I've always wanted to try Taekwondo.
Taekwondo teaches you to use your body's full potential, but it also teaches you a lot about patience. It's not about being perfect on your first try. Now it's time for one of my favorite things, food. Today, I'm trying a traditional Korean cooking class. I've always loved eating Korean food.
But I have to admit, I'm not a great cook, so I'm really excited to learn some real techniques from a pro.
We will chop some more green onions.
Okay, sounds good.
This tastes even better as I made it myself. It's spicy, savory, and perfectly balanced. This class wasn't just about cooking.
It was a deeper dive into Korean culture.
We will chop some more green onions.
I can't wait to share this with my friends back home.
From the sizzle of the kitchen to the quiet of the studio, this is a whole new kind of creation.
I've always loved the beauty of Korean ceramics, and now I get to try making something with my own hands.
This feels so different from my other experiences today. It's quiet and mindful.
I'm connecting with a timeless tradition in Korea. There's something so special about creating something with your own hands.
Wow, what an incredible day. From the discipline of Taekwondo to the quiet focus of creating something in the ceramic.
I feel like I've experienced a whole new side of Korea. If you're looking for more than just the usual tourist spots, I really encourage you to try these kinds of experiences.